Well, you bring up a couple of really good points. One is that as the company owner or marketer, you may expect something different than your audience does, right?
Yeah.
Looking at the brand search. I've gotten so many requests over the years. This shouldn't be here. How come when I search Google for a company name, or how come when I search Google for this shows up instead? Yada, yada, yada. And then also you bring up things like reviews, right? So, branded search goes outside of just searching for your brand name. It goes into searching for brand name plus reviews. Can I trust brand name? Is
Yeah.
brand name reputable, right? Does brand name rip people off? Also, not just the name of your brand, but the name of your products, right?
Yeah.
So that all goes into branding at the end of the day too. So would you say, like, I don't want to go too far down this rabbit hole, but first of all, do you consider like branded products names? Automobile industry, for example, right? You have Ford, and then you have the Ford Bronco, the Mustang, and then various other cars named after horses, like the Pinto and everything else, right? Or
Not the Fiesta, though, eh?
No, not the Fiesta.
Oh, the transit van, which is the one I used to drive around in the 90s.
Was it a white van?
Definitely. When you were a musician in the 90s, you drive around in a white transit van because it's the cheapest one you can get.
There you go. So, but do you also really look into that in terms of how important is looking at specific branded product names in addition to your company name at the end of the day?
Right. Well, the brand plus reviews is something I do track and I do look at.